friend and how she wrote out everything that she wanted in a person, and she forgot about it and it came to be. And so that's another way that we can manifest too, is to journal. Something that I just heard a couple days ago is journaling about money as if you've already had it. So something you can say is like, I'm so happy and grateful that I have $1 million in my bank account or more. And the thing is, it's so important for us to be confident and to believe. The biggest piece of this is to have that belief system that it can actually happen and it can actually come true. And there's no dream small enough. If there's a dream in your heart and your mind that you have, or if there's an idea that you have, it's there for a reason. And a lot of times, if you shoot for the stars and hit the moon, you're still hitting the moon, right? So it's called that moonshot. So again, the only person, or a lot of times the only people who think that our dreams are not possible are the ones who don't have a belief system themselves. And so you don't want to listen to those people. Make sure that you try to get away from negative influences who are going to say, oh, that's not possible or whatever, because it is possible. And that belief system is so important when you're doing this as well. Schedule this experience, this tour. Well, I was going on the tour, we were walking all over the city, and just amazing. I went to the narrowest street in Venice, which was literally about this wide. It wasn't very wide. I mean, right now I was a little bit thinner there, so now I don't know if I could fit there, but but anyway, so the tour guide, he told us about this rooftop that he was going to take us to. And I didn't think of anything of it until after I saw this picture. But he pointed to us in the class, or in the tour group, and he said, I scheduled this. And he looked at me, he said, when you first scheduled this tour. And he said, a lot of times, depending on how many people are going up to the roof at that time, depending on the weather, it might not be open, it might be closed. So I get up there, and that is the exact picture that I had on my vision board. And again, I didn't plan this. I didn't know where in Venice I could go to even find that spot. But that's just an example of how manifestation has worked in my life.